Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another skincare review for you guys, and today's one I've patiently been waiting to share with you all, and it is a review on a product that came out maybe 2 months ago, I want to say, or even 3 months ago maybe. Yeah, probably 3 months ago. But it is the Teca 1% Barrier Cream by Bywishtrend, or Wishtrend on its own. And basically what really drew me to this product is the fact that it is a complete skin repair barrier restructuring cream. And in that sense, it's not a cream that's really designed to deliver a ton of moisture. It's not designed to deliver a ton of hydration. It generally is a treatment ointment that is supposed to help restructure and repair your skin's natural barrier based on the functional ingredients within it. It has a lot of ingredient driven formulation within it, meaning a lot of the ingredients that are within this product are designed to do something for the skin. There's not a lot of filler ingredients that are really just going to be there to deliver a scent or deliver moisture or hydration or anything like that. It really is key ingredient driven. So you can even see on the side of the box it has a section that's just basic ingredients, and then it has the section that has key ingredients. So those are the ingredients that are really going to do something for the skin, that are really going to drive the function and claims of this product. And for me, when I see products that are like this, I get really excited because they are designed to do something and they focus on doing that one single thing, which makes me really excited to test them and see the kind of results they give me based on the claims. So essentially, like I said, this product is designed to help repair and restructure your skin's natural barrier, and in that sense you will know if you have a weakened skin barrier, if your skin is cracked, flaking, really irritated, red, and just is not getting any better. So if you feel like your skin around your cheeks or anywhere on your face is feeling very, very dry and very irritated, then that's kind of a sign that your skin's natural barrier has been compromised. And for me, I've been suffering with that ever since I came back to Canada, because I went from being in hot and warm Australia to cold winter Canada, and my skin just was very shocked by that. It became so dry, even my hands were cracking and just looking very powdery and white. And on top of which, my skin's barrier was very compromised. No matter how much moisturizer I put on, it just wasn't doing the trick. I was getting a lot of breakouts just because my skin barrier wasn't there to protect itself from incoming bacteria, and it was just a mess. It was a real mess. So this cream is designed to fix that. Basically, it's designed to help restore that barrier that protects your skin, reduce irritation, and help prevent scars from developing, preventing acne from developing, all because of a weakened skin barrier. So when you apply this product, it says to apply it in a really thin layer over the areas of concern. And for me, that was this area right here. Whenever my skin has a problem, or it's irritated, or the skin barrier is weakened, it always turns up in this area, really on the center of my face for me. And I have a before picture. I tested this product for 2 weeks. I really wanted to give it a fast example for you guys. I wanted it to be a really quick timeline rather than like a month or 2 months. So I did a 2-week photo test. Here is the before image of my skin. As you can see, I have a lot of discoloration. I have a lot of little tiny breakouts and redness on my skin due to my skin's barrier being broken. And I just couldn't really get control over it. And with me, when I break out, I scar easily. And those scars for me generally last around 2 months when I'm doing a really intensive skincare routine that's going to help limit it. If I'm not using skincare products to help limit it, then it lasts for like a year. So that is what my skin looked like before I started using the Teca 1% Barrier Cream. Then 2 weeks later, as you can see in this photo, after 2 weeks, the areas of concern that I highlighted are non-existent or really minimal. So I circled 2 areas that were really my true problem areas. The photos don't really do it justice, but those areas were reoccurring no matter what I put on them. They just weren't really healing at all. But after using this for 2 weeks, it significantly reduced it to nothing, especially on the inner corner, and then on the acne spots I had on the outer portion towards the middle of my cheek, those significantly faded. And in fact, in that photo, the after photo, that's just flat skin with a little bit of discoloration from the pimple, while in the before photo it was straight up a pimple. So for me, in 2 weeks, the results were pretty satisfying. They weren't out of this world. It didn't blow my mind, but it did help where nothing else helped, which was amazing for me. It really was showing me that this product does do what it claims to do, which is restore the skin's barrier, help heal the skin, and help reduce irritation, redness, and prevent acne scarring. It did all of that on my skin, but I can say it didn't go above and beyond in the span of 2 weeks. I feel like if you continue to use this for a month or 2 months, or until the product completely runs out, you're probably going to see some really killer results. But in the span of 2 weeks, I definitely started to see the product working, and it definitely shows in the photos that I took of my bare face skin comparing the first day to 2 weeks later. Overall, for the product, I really like the texture. It kind of reminds me of a primer. If I had to explain it in any way, the texture is very much like a silicone primer where it glides on really smoothly and then kind of fades into nothing. However, it doesn't do what a primer does. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It absorbs really quickly in the skin, and it didn't clog my pores, meaning I didn't get any additional breakouts. I didn't get any additional blackheads or closed comedones on the areas that I applied the Teca 1 barrier cream, which was really nice to see. However, based on what this product claims, I really wasn't anticipating it would clog my pores or break me out, since it's just a really gentle, key function driven treatment cream. When it comes down to the ingredients that consist within this product, the one thing I didn't really like is that it does have 1 alcohol present in it. However, it did not negatively affect me in any way, and in fact I didn't even notice it had alcohol in it until I looked at the ingredients. Another thing that I like about this product is that it has no fragrance, and for a treatment cream that's supposed to repair the skin, that is exactly what I want to see. If I ever get like a skin repairing cream that has fragrance in it, it just kind of defeats the purpose for me because I have really sensitive skin. So the fact that it doesn't have any fragrances in it at all or essential oils is really something that I like about this product quite a bit. For my overall review on this product, I'm gonna say I really am happy with it. It did everything it claimed to do for me. It didn't do anything negative for my skin. It just overall is something that's really nice to add into your routine if you're someone that has a compromised skin barrier, and if you suffer from irritation, acne, and dryness. I think this is a great little treatment to add into your routine to kind of help give your skin that extra assistance that it needs to repair itself and stay in a healthy condition. I think this is something that's really nice to have. Otherwise, it didn't blow my mind, but I just really enjoyed it. I think it did what it was supposed to do, and it worked for my skin. So if any of you guys have tried the Bywishtrend Teca 1% barrier cream, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear how it worked on your skin. I had a pretty neutral experience with it, so I want to hear your guys' experience with this product in the comments section down below. And if you guys want to see more details and photos of my experience with this product, you can check out my blog post on it in the description box down below as well. Remember to thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed this review. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more, as I upload on average 1 video a week on my beauty channel here. And you can check me out on all my social medias. I also have those linked in the description box if you guys want to stay up to date on my life and what I get up to when I'm not filming for this channel. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!